Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. My name is Ahmad. I am studying 8th grade and Islamic rating. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Let me share the reason for our gathering today. Well, ladies and gentlemen, my topic is important in every field of life: responsibilities of parents. I have divided my presentation into three main parts. First one, what is parenting? And second is co-responsibilities of parent. And third is challenges parents face and its possible solution. Now I move on first part. What is parenting? Well, parenting is a process of raising and caring their children, including the nurturing, protection, and guidance needed for their healthy development into adulthood. Now I move on second part, co-responsibilities of parents. Providing moral and religious guidance. Parents are responsible for instilling values, ethics, and religious teaching in them from an early age. Now, ensuring emotional and physical well-being. It is the duty of parent to create safe, loving, and emotional. It is the duty of parent to create safe, loving, environment where the child feels secure and cared for. Now I move on third part, challenges parent face and its possible solution. Financial issue. Mostly parents face financial issue, therefore they cannot provide basic needs such as food, shelter, clothes, etc. And the solution is government should provide job to the poor people so that they can live a good life. No support in physically and mentally. Parents do not support their children in different things such as sport because of lack of time. Eventually, their children don't improve their skills and do not improve in real life. And its solution is parents should spend time with their children. Parents should encourage their children so that successful in every field of life. And my personal opinion is parents should spend their time with children so that become a good person. That's all from my side.
Very good job.
Who are responsible for raising children? Who are responsible for raising children?
Parents are responsible for raising children.
What is one good habit children can learn from their parents?
Respect elders.
What is parenting?
Parenting is a process of raising and caring their children.
Very good clap again.
বিশাল পর্বত দরিয়া জুড়ে সৈকত লহরী সুবহানাল্লাহ আলহামদুলিল্লাহ সুবহানাল্লাহ আলহামদুলিল্লাহ সুবহানাল্লাহ আলহামদুলিল্লাহ বিশাল পর্বত দরিয়া জুড়ে সৈকত লহরী সুবহানাল্লাহ আলহামদুলিল্লাহ সুবহানাল্লাহ আলহামদুলিল্লাহ সুবহানাল্লাহ আলহামদুলিল্লাহ বিশাল পর্বত দরিয়া জুড়ে সৈকত লহরী সুবহানাল্লাহ আলহামদুলিল্লাহ সুবহানাল্লাহ আলহামদুলিল্লাহ সুবহানাল্লাহ আলহামদুলিল্লাহ বিশাল পর্বত দরিয়া জুড়ে সৈকত লহরী সুবহানাল্লাহ